The Indian contingent's ceremonial uniforms at Paris Olympics, designed by Tarun Tahliani, have recently been mocked by netizens. Some have called the outfits obnoxious, while others have called them dull. Responding to the criticism, fashion designer Tarun Tahliani has said he stands by the designs. He has slammed critics who implied that he charged a hefty fee for designing the athlete's attire. Speaking exclusively to NDTV, Mr. Tahliani said his team followed the guidelines of the International Olympic Committee while designing the kits. He said, and we quote, "Many things change in the last minute. I stand by our design. This is what we Indians wear, and this is not to be a couture show." He also said, "It would have been very easy for me to send them in Zardozi vests, but it's not appropriate. I accept people can have their views. I'm good with that, but I stand by what we did." Some social media users have pointed out that the outfits have digital prints on them. And India, given its rich heritage of handloom and embroidery, should have been represented on this world stage by better attire. To this, the designer said that his team had just 3 weeks to ready the kits, and it was not possible to weave handloom for 300 uniforms in such a short time. NDTV did a quick check to find out what the word is on the street about the controversy.
Because Tarun is such a master craftsman, I think they could have done a little more, or if not more, maybe this could have been real ikat, other than being the print of ikat, because I mean India is the hub of textiles and crafts, so might as well use some to represent on the global stage like Olympics.
Great. I think they're amazing. Like as usual, we are standing out and our flag is out there and he's made sure the tricolor is there. So I think they're looking fab and such a global level, and Tarun Tahliani has done a great job. So yeah.
I think could have been a better show. That's it.
Should a private brand entity be associated with a national team's uniform?
I think there should be no issue with that, since most of the designers are anyway with FDCI. I think they can represent and they should represent, but at the same time, keeping in mind what the country's crafts stand for and the beauty that lie in them, and maybe doing justice to them.
Well, Taswa previously mentioned that the Indian athletes' attire for the opening ceremony draws profound inspiration from the Indian flag. Some internet users are emphatic about how the garments are not a substantial enough reflection of the nation's sartorial heritage.